guys, welcome back to my vlog. I don't know if you can really hear me, but it's quite loud over here. So I'm currently at the Accra Mall, and today is the 30th of December, and this is a continuation to my vlog. So today I'm exploring the eastern region. I'm pretty excited, and I'm doing this with CY Travels. I'm currently waiting for them at the Accra Mall. They're coming here to pick me up, and then we'll go. So I'm taking you guys along on this journey. We're going to be exploring a few places. Pretty excited because I've not seen a lot of things in Ghana, so I'm just taking this initiative in 2020 to try and explore some of the places we have here, because I have seriously not done justice to Ghana. So I'm going to take you guys along. I hope you enjoy this one. Let's go have fun, and I will document everything for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Yankoe. So hi guys, quick update. We're currently at the Hillburi Hotel in Aburi. That's our first stop. I just showed you guys around. Yes, we're going to just take a few pictures here and we'll move to our next location. I'm pretty exhausted from yesterday. I haven't had a good night's sleep, so sorry about that, but we're still going to turn up. And yeah, so everybody is here. We're taking pictures and videos. So we're just here. This place is very quiet, and it's a very nice resort if you want like a vacation or a trip like with a loved one. You just want somewhere very serene and quiet. I highly recommend this place. The Hillburi Hotel is so quiet, guys. Like, you guys can really hear that it's very quiet, so I like it here. So yeah, I'm just going to take a few pictures. We're going to get out of here. Hi guys, so I made a new friend. She'll introduce herself to you guys.
I'm Teboho, I'm from South Africa.
She's in Ghana for the first time. Are you enjoying your stay here?
Oh, it's beautiful. The country is beautiful. I can't wait to see more.
Oh,
Yeah, this is just my first tour, and I am just blown away.
oh yeah, Ghana is beautiful. It's very beautiful. Even I haven't explored that much, so.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm happy. So far, so good.
Oh,
So far, so good. I think
nice.
I'll be back soon.
You should
I'm
come back.
definitely coming back with my girls.
Oh, you have children?
No, with my friends.
Your friends? Okay,
Yes, 'cause
okay.
I'm doing it solo now, hey?
Oh, I'm sure when you tell them about it, they also want to come.
They want to come because of the pictures that I've been posting. So already because of the pictures that I've been posting, they're like, one of them from Botswana might be coming tomorrow. Just because of the pictures that I've been posting.
God. Nice.
Beautiful.
Okay, guys, so this is also a hillburi. They have this amazing pool. They have this infinity pool here. It's really beautiful. Really beautiful. Very beautiful. Like, I can imagine taking a picture over there. But we don't have a lot of time, so I can't do that. But there are more places we are going to, so it's not that much of a big deal. This is overlooking Akaa. Like, it's this view is amazing, guys. It's amazing here, and it's extremely quiet. Like, this is such a chilled.
Have you been here before? Oh,
No, I haven't. You can be in Ghana and you've still not visited so many places.
That's the thing when you live somewhere.
You don't cherish it, you know. Yeah.
Glow? Can you see me glowing?
So we're leaving Hillburi now. And yeah, on to our next destination. Okay guys, so we're currently at the, what's the name of this place? Aburi Botanical Gardens. And yeah, I'm with a group. So we're just here, you know, coming to see the trees. Me, I'm just here for the pictures because I've been here before. So I'm just here for the pictures. Yeah,
But there's
so
a lot of a row of the trees.
yes. So I'm just going to show you guys a few of them. And then, yeah.
The cocoa is other way a food and then medicine as well. Now, cocoa is not a fruit from Ghana, but rather from South. Smell it. You put it. Smell.
Smells good.
What does it smell like, y'all?
Like what?
Smells like my aftershave. It smells fresh.
Did you say aftershave?
Yeah. All right.
Oh my gosh. It smells
Can you tell me what it is?
What does it smell like to you?
Can you tell me?
Okay guys, so we're leaving now to our final destination. It's a secret. I'm so excited. This whole tour actually came because of this location, so we're gonna see it now, and I think it's about 30 or 40 minutes drive from this particular location, so I'm going to take you guys along. Let's go have fun. It'll be fun actually. When we get there, I'll show you. It's a secret. The fact that I can hear the sound of the water,